Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and Apple just shipped an update to Final Cut Pro version 10.6 that added some really cool object tracking, and they do it in a really clever way. I think it's really nice, but it took me a little while to figure out how you actually got it to work. But once I did, it was super easy and it's super convenient for me, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I've got a clip here that's just imported into Final Cut, and it's just kind of a shaky cam of this iPhone, and I want to have text over here that's kind of linked up with it. So here's what I do, is I'm just going to go back to the start of the clip, and then you can pull in whatever title you want, and typically I would just pull it onto the timeline, but to make this work, I actually want to pull it onto the clip. And so as I hover over elements in the clip, it will detect different things. And so this is kind of what I want it to sync up to. So we'll use the camera module, we'll change the text to iPhone 13 Pro Max, right? And then we'll left align that. We can move the text kind of more over here. Let's reduce the line spacing. That doesn't do anything with this one. That's fine. But now I can go ahead and extend it to the length of the clip. And if I play back my timeline, nothing's happened yet. And so there's one extra thing you have to do. So let me go back to the start. You'll see these kind of options here. And what you want to hit is analyze. Once you analyze the clip, and this is all happening in real time on an M1 MacBook Air from 2020. Now, if I go ahead and play back the clip, it's going to play back really nicely. And hey, there you go. iPhone 13 Pro Max is synced perfectly with the shakiness of the camera, with the phone. It's all working great. So it's a really, really nice new feature, new easy to use thing. Just remember to hit analyze and you should be good. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching.